name is Adam Esquivel. I own Adam's Dent Repair here in Waco, Texas, and I've been doing PDR since 2012. So I would say when you're going to look for a PDR or a PDR guy, check in your area, check for the local guys that have been there for a little while, who have good credibility, who have good reviews. I would say the local people are probably your best go-to because they care about your business. They care. They're going to remain in the city for a long time, so they want good credibility. Check the reviews, ask about them. If they got a good reputation, I would recommend you go with those guys 10 times out of 10. I would say one of the biggest myths about PDR in general is your PDR guys can't fix big smashed in things that are, I don't know, the size of a foot or something like that. When somebody kicks in the door, or that it's easy, that we're just gonna tear up your paint, we're not worth a dang, and that we just don't care about your car. And that's not true at all. We care, we wanna do an excellent job for you. So don't believe all the lies. And yeah, we can fix some incredible things. One thing a customer can do to make a dent worse is try to repair it yourself before you take it to a professional. Listen, leave it alone. You're gonna stretch the metal, you're gonna tear up the paint, you're gonna tear up the interior trim piece or door panel or a wire, something. You try to do it yourself. And I'm not against that, but if you don't know what you're doing, just relax, call somebody who does. Let us help you. That's our job. Let us help you. I would just say the most satisfying thing is when there's a huge dent or a nasty dent on the body line that you're unsure about. Like, I don't know about this one. I'm 50-50 if it's gonna come out. And then when it comes out and it's slick and it's smooth and you surprise yourself, you're like, dang, that looks good. Surprise me. That's probably the most satisfying thing. I can't say there's one dent that's more satisfying than another dent, but it's the ones that surprise you, that shock you, that's like, oh dang, I didn't think it was gonna look that great, and it did. That's fun.
Absolutely.
So you can find me if you look up Adam's Dent Repair on Google. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, on YouTube. It's just under Adam's Dent Repair. Follow me, call me, comment, leave a Google review. That's how you can find me.